Minor imperfections can dull your vehicle's factory fresh look, but restoring a smooth showroom quality finish is easier than you think. With the right techniques and a proper understanding of dent repair methods, damaged panels can be transformed back into sleek, polished surfaces. Effective dent repair starts by assessing the dent's type, severity, and paint condition to choose the right method: PDR glue pulling or traditional bodywork. Minor dents with intact paint are ideal for PDR or pulling, while severe damage with stretched metal or cracked paint often needs sanding, filler, priming, and repainting. A thorough inspection using angled lighting helps identify distortions, paint damage, and impacts along body lines, allowing for a more effective repair strategy. Glue pulling is ideal when rear panel access is limited, while traditional bodywork is needed for cracked paint, deep creases, or larger dents causing panel rippling. For small DIY repairs, essential tools include varied grit sandpaper, block sanders, fillers, masking supplies, and degreasers. The process involves accessing the dent, reshaping the metal, applying filler, priming, and sanding to restore a smooth finish. Professional level finishing relies on careful cleaning, masking, accurate color, matching, and proper spray setup for even paint application. Final wet sanding and polishing create a smooth, like new finish, making minor imperfections easy to repair with the right methods. If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 83227543774. That's 83227543774. Or send email at kevin@DentWerx Paintless Dent Repair.com.